it's Zappy again. We've been doing a lot of hard work on the farm, and now it's time to stop and smell the flowers. Of course, we robots can't smell like humans can. We don't have human senses, but we do have sensors. A sensor is part of the robot that gathers information from the environment. Just like humans see with your eyes, hear with your ears, and smell with your nose, we robots can use sensors to learn about what's around us. Oh, here's Simcha to tell us more ways robots can use sensors on farms.
We're starting to build what we call smart agriculture. So we have more and more sensors in the field, sensors in the ground, sensors of weather, sensors like robots flying around, those drones, or different kind of tractors going around, or even a person when he's walking around with his smartphone is actually collecting data. All of those players are collecting data or doing actions. We have tractors now that are also planting and spraying automatically. You'll see a person in the tractor, but the tractor's driving around by itself. We use, for example, drones, which are a robot that fly around the field by themselves using a pattern that's a farming or an agronomy pattern. So it's flying around in a way that we're collecting data at high resolutions that then we can use for processing and understanding what's happening in the field, similar to someone scouting, walking in the field. We help them precise and do more efficient work with their inputs of irrigation and fertilizer and chemicals, putting them out in the right time on the right parts of the field. This is only possible with collecting data through robotics and the ways that we program them to do that.
Wow, sensors really help making important decisions on farms. That reminds me of how we robots sometimes use a color sensor to help us figure out which way to go on some tricky missions. Take a look at this one. Sometimes the flowers are yellow, and sometimes they're blue. And even trickier, the target could be on either side. Yikes! Don't worry, the robot can use a color sensor to figure out what to do. First, drive up to the flowers. The color sensor only works when it's right on top of something. Next, it's time to make a decision. For that, we'll need an if block. Okay, it looks like if the flowers are yellow, it needs to turn right. And if the flowers are blue, it needs to turn left. And once it's turned the right way, just drive forward to get to the target. I hope this works. Yes, we got it! Time to try out those blocks on a new mission. See you soon!